How to turn on and enable recognize Nomedia on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to the app. Now this is the home page. Go to the top right here and click on this icon. Now after you click on it, you will find many options here. Go down, you will find recognize no media. Click here and it's turned on successfully. Now click done and it will be saved. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video.